When you have zucchini in your refrigerator, but you don't feel like sauteing it for dinner, make it for dessert. We're making a zucchini cake today. It has a cream cheese frosting. It's fluffy and delicious.
We're going to start out by mixing our dry ingredients. A half of a teaspoon of salt, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, a teaspoon of baking soda, and 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon are added to 2 cups of all-purpose flour. And then just whisk that together and set it aside. Add a cup of vegetable oil along with a cup of brown sugar and 1/2 cup of granulated sugar to a large bowl, and along with 3 large eggs. You're going to just mix that together along with a teaspoon of vanilla extract. So just stir together all of your wet ingredients there until they're nice and combined. And then you're just going to pour those dry ingredients into the wet ingredients and stir this together. I love that you don't even have to use a mixer with this unless you want to. Once it's all stirred together, you're going to add your shredded zucchini. We're adding 2 cups of shredded zucchini, which is approximately 1 to 2 zucchini. It just depends on the size. If they're extra wet, make sure to wring them out, but otherwise you don't need to. Pour it into your 9x13-inch pan and bake until a toothpick comes out clean.
Now you can make any kind of frosting, but I love cream cheese frosting with zucchini. It's kind of like a spice cake with cream cheese. It's just a really great pairing, but you could use chocolate frosting, vanilla frosting, any kind of frosting that you want. I love making this cake with leftover zucchini or zucchini that we had in the garden that I've shredded and frozen. It's a great way to use up that summer bounty, or just because you don't feel like making stuffed zucchini for dinner, you made a cake. I know you're gonna love it. If you don't follow me already, be sure to subscribe to my channel and keep watching for even more cake recipes.